thoughtful fella, aren't you?
Oh, absolutely. I have thoughts all the time. Sometimes I even think about thinking. I'm a very deep thinker.
Yes. Well, did you know that in English there is a special name for words which we use to link different ideas and thoughts together?
Oh, there is?
Yes! Conjunctions! Conjunctions are a type of word which help us join two sentences or ideas together.
I see. Do you have any examples, Twinklebot?
Of course! I'll tell you what. I'll give you two bits of a sentence, and I'll let you come up with a conjunction you can use to join them together.
Ooh, a challenge. Okay.
Okay, let's start off with an easier one. The first part is, I like playing football. The second part is, watching television.
So, how could I join those two ideas together? How about the word and? I like playing football and watching television.
Perfect! And is a conjunction, as it helps us add another idea into a sentence. Okay, can you think of a conjunction for this sentence? I like the summer. It is sunny.
Oh, this one is easy. It's exactly how I feel anyway. I like the summer because it is sunny.
Perfect! Remember though, there isn't just one correct answer to those questions. There are loads of different conjunctions which could change the meaning of the sentence. If we said, I like the summer, although it is sunny, it would make sense, wouldn't it?
It would make sense, but it changes it completely. That sentence makes it sound like you like summer, even though you don't like how sunny it is.
Exactly! There are also different types of conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are words like and, which can join together two words, ideas, or clauses, which would still make sense if they were on their own. Let's look at our first example again. You like playing football. You like watching television. Both of those ideas make sense together, but you can use and to put them together to make one sentence called a compound sentence.
I get it. Coordinating conjunctions pull together two ideas which make perfect sense on their own anyway.
Exactly. You also have subordinating conjunctions. These can be used to make sentences where one idea needs the other one to help it make sense. Look at our second example. I like summer because it is sunny. We're using because to help us give a reason we like summer.
Okay, so the subordinating conjunction there gave my sentence context. I was able to give a reason for liking summer by using although as a subordinating conjunction.
The third type of conjunction is a little bit trickier. Correlative conjunctions come in pairs. Here are some popular combinations. Look at how we can use correlative conjunctions to expand one of our earlier examples. I not only like football, but also like watching TV.
Oh, I see. So connective conjunctions link two ideas together. Subordinating conjunctions link two ideas together where they don't make sense on their own. And correlative conjunctions come in pairs.
Got it! What do you think?
I think I need to lie down.